Hello automotive lovers, welcome back to the official Vroom Vault channel, the center of the latest automotive news and rumors from around the world. This time, we will discuss the hot rumors surrounding the 2026 GMC Sierra, one of the most anticipated pickup trucks from the legendary American manufacturer. Come on, let's dissect what leaks and speculations are circulating. The first rumor that emerged came from various sources in the automotive industry stating that the 2026 GMC Sierra will bring a new, more modern and aggressive design. The front grille is rumored to be larger with a touch of horizontal LED strips that blend with the headlights, giving the impression of a futuristic but still dashing face. The body will most likely retain the Sierra's masculine silhouette, but with some new aerodynamic details to improve fuel efficiency. The body material is also predicted to use a mixture of aluminum and high-strength steel, to keep it light but sturdy. Entering the cabin, GMC seems not to want to lose to its rivals such as the Ford F-150 and Ram 1500. The 2026 GMC Sierra is rumored to be getting a major update to the interior. A full digital dashboard with a large touchscreen, possibly 15 inches, will be the main control center. There are also rumors that the highest version of the 2026 Sierra will be equipped with the latest infotainment system based on Google Android Automotive, 5G support, and a premium Bose audio system. The interior material is rumored to use genuine leather with wood or aluminum trim options to give a stronger premium impression. One of the most interesting topics of the 2026 GMC Sierra rumor is the possibility of a hybrid or even a full electric version. GMC itself has released the Hummer EV and Sierra EV Denali Edition 1 versions, and it seems that the electrification strategy will spread to their entire line, including the regular Sierra. The 6.2-liter V8 gasoline engine will likely be retained for the conventional version, but will experience increased efficiency. There is also speculation that GMC is preparing a plug-in hybrid variant with an additional electric motor to increase torque and fuel efficiency. For lovers of brutal power, there will reportedly be an at4X trim with an advanced off-road system, adaptive suspension, and smarter four-wheel drive, 4WD, features than before. In 2026, it is certain that pickup trucks will also be equipped with semi-autonomous technology. The 2026 GMC Sierra is predicted to come with the latest version of Super Cruise, GM's hands-free driving system that has now been tested on thousands of kilometers of freeway. This system will be equipped with a driver surveillance camera, adaptive radar, lane keep assist, and more responsive emergency braking. Not only that, the possibility of a smarter, smart trailer mode for trailer or caravan users is also being hotly discussed. GMC has yet to make an official announcement. However, based on their production cycle, the 2026 GMC Sierra will likely be introduced in mid-2025, with first deliveries taking place in early 2026. Price? Expected to be slightly higher than the previous generation. The base variant will likely start at $42,000, while higher-end versions like the Denali Ultimate or at 4X could reach $75,000 or more, especially if they come in an all-electric version. Well, friends, that's a summary of the rumors and speculations about the 2026 GMC Sierra. Although all of this is still in the rumor stage, the direction of development shown by GMC seems clear, stronger, smarter, and ready to welcome the electrified future. What do you think? Will the 2026 GMC Sierra be the king of the modern pickup segment? Let's discuss in the comments column. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you don't miss the latest automotive updates from us. See you in the next video.